scientists, welcome to ALLEN IntelliBrain. We are going to understand plotting and finding coordinates by performing the Intelli activity on tracing the ordered pairs on the geoboard as well as plotting and identifying shapes. We are also going to solve puzzles. From your Intelli SMART Box, take out baseboard parts, side stands, central stands, coordinate geometry tags, box of board pins and activity kit. Place the geoboard parts, that is baseboard parts 2 units, side stands 4 units and central stands 2 units on a table. Also take out Intelli logo and coordinate geometry tag from the activity kit. We will now assemble the geoboard as we have done in Introduction to Coordinate Geometry. Now take out the board pins box from the activity kit. Let's take out board pins. Now observe the geoboard. This is the x-axis, the y-axis and this is the origin. Let's highlight the points on the x-axis, the y-axis and origin by using board pins. You can use any color of your choice for y-axis, x-axis and origin. Now take out the place tags from the coordinate geometry card and spool of thread from box of board pins. Let us place the place tags according to the image shown here. And after having done that, let's find their ordered pairs. Fix the place tags like this. Can you see the hospital tag? Yes, it's here. Let's find its ordered pair using a thread. Tie a thread on the head of the board pin. Now find the board pin on the x-axis which is perpendicular to the hospital. It is 2. Now quickly unwind the spool until 2 and wind it around the board pin like this. Now find the board pin on the y-axis which is perpendicular to the hospital. It is 3. Now tie the thread superb. By doing this, we have actually found out the coordinates of the hospital. The x coordinate of the hospital is 2 and the y coordinate of the hospital is 3. Therefore, the ordered pair of hospital becomes 2, 3. Also note that both the coordinates are positive. So, the hospital lies in the first quadrant. Now let's make it more interesting. Take out the alphabet tags from the coordinate geometry card. Now look at the image shown here and place the alphabet tags accordingly using the board pins. Now tell me, who is the fastest animal on the earth? Yes, it is cheetah. Let's find the coordinates of the letters used in cheetah. C is located over here. Its x coordinate is 3 and its y coordinate is 5. So its ordered pair is 3, 5. Now let's find the ordered pair of the next letter in cheetah, that is H. Its x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is -2. Therefore, its ordered pair is 4, -2. The next letter is E. Its x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 1. So therefore, its ordered pair is 3, 1. Now the next alphabet is T. Its x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 4. So its ordered pair is 1, 4. Next is alphabet A. It is located on the positive y axis. Therefore, its x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 2. Therefore, its ordered pair is 0, 2. Now we have already found out the coordinates of the last alphabet, which is H. Similarly, you can find the coordinates of the remaining alphabets as well. Now let's change the game again. This time I am going to give you the coordinates and you have to locate them. The coordinates of point L are 0, 3, for point M -2, 1, for point N 0, -3 and for point O 2, 1. Let's locate these points by fixing the appropriate alphabet tags on the geoboard. The x coordinate of point L is 0, so it will lie on y axis. The y coordinate is +3. So move up 3 units and fix the alphabet L tag using the board pin over here. Now fix the alphabet M at -2, 1. Similarly, fix the remaining tags. Now take a spool of thread and tie it around the board pins to make it a closed shape. Look, it looks like a kite. Wonderful! After doing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: visualizing the ordered pairs on the geoboard, tracing the coordinates of any point on the geoboard, plotting and identifying different shapes by joining the points on the geoboard. Visualize maths with ALLEN IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.